Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are removing and replacing a spare tire hoist on a 2009 Chevy Suburban. If you need this part or any other parts for your car or truck, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're gonna take the spare tire down. We're gonna have to gain access right here. You can take your key. There may be another cover that goes over here on your vehicle. There'll be two twists that you untwist underneath there, and then this will pop down. So to get this cover off, you're gonna take your key, pop that off. Sometimes there's a connecting tab right here, so this will just hang. And then you're gonna take your key, should just, there we go. Key twists, and it pulls out. Open the lift gate. We want to get the tools to access the spare tire, so we're gonna have to pull this panel up. To get the toolkit out, we're gonna unscrew this retainer. It's loose. Slide that off. We can pull the toolkit out. Right. I'm gonna open the toolkit up. For this video, this piece is not required. Slide this up. Next, we're gonna put these two pieces together. Slide it in, push down on this little tab. Make sure they're good and tight. Next, we're gonna slide this bigger open square end into the hole. And then you're gonna feel some tension. Wiggle it a little bit. So you're able to put this on the other end. We can lower the tire. So, as you can see, this one stopped right here. It should go down further than that. But there is a safety, so we're gonna have to release that. So I'll show you how to do that. So I want the tire just a little bit, just about when it stops, just maybe a little bit more, just to get a little bit of the pressure off, because it's gonna drop a little bit. Just about there. It's just a piece of metal here. It's the lock right there. Just gotta be able to push it back. I'm gonna use a flat blade long screwdriver and a hammer and tap it. There it goes. And there it goes. So it's past the lock, so that's how we were able to get it to come down. So here's the lock mechanism that I was talking about. When this tire was stuck up there, this lock was stuck out. And all I did was take a screwdriver through the hole here and the hammer and push. And then that was able to release it, and then we were able to lower the tire. All right, pull this up. Loosen this a little more. As I'm pulling it. Now to get this off, we're gonna have to lift up the tire. And then we're gonna move this. You fish it through the center of the tire. That's how you get it off. All right, this vehicle is pretty rusty, so what we're gonna do is Before we try to get this bolt out, we're gonna spray some rust penetrant on it. Spray some right there. Let that soak for a little bit and that'll help us get it off. To get this off, there's little tabs. I'm gonna try to pull a little pressure while I push the tabs down. Hopefully I can get it to come off. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna try to take this bolt off. We're gonna use a 15mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. A little bit tight. Get the bolt out. I'm gonna pull it down and pull it off. Just twist it a little bit. There's a little lip right there. It comes right down. So here's our two parts. This is our old tire hoist. This is our new updated tire hoist. As you can see, they look similar, but not exactly the same. This is the one with that lock mechanism we were talking about. This one does not have it, and we believe that the reason this one does not have that is because so many people had so much trouble with the locks jamming and you're not able to get your spare tire down. So they updated the design. As you can see, the base is different too. This is a lot more rugged than this older style. Now we're gonna install our new jack, our new tire hoist. You're gonna line this up with the top, right there. Now go in, these two tabs stay below. And then I'm gonna install my 15mm bolt. Start tightening it down. Snug that up good. Now I'm going to take this sleeve and insert it to the front, and it goes on just like that. To reinstall your spare tire, you're going to put this bracket through while you lift up on the tire. Get that lined up. And we're going to start cranking over here. As the tire goes up, you may have to stabilize it a little bit. Make sure it's good and tight. We can pull our tools out. All right, so we're going to take this retainer, put that on first, and slide this into place. And tighten it down. And that's snug. I pop this cover on, goes this way. I'm gonna reinstall the lock. There's a guide right here. You're gonna wanna line that up with the slot in the hole. And push that in, and then turn to the left and pull the key out. And we're gonna insert the cover. Sometimes the covers have a tie right here, so this one's broken. So the long part goes on the bottom, the shorter part goes on top. Put the top in first, and then lock it in. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.